Marx says it's against our human nature, right, to have any sense of drive to turn ourselves into machines, um, and then to have machines replace us, right? Like, how could that be part of our human nature? That kind of thing. We might have a technologizing nature, right, where we use tools and machines and stuff like that. But to turn ourselves into machines, or to allow ourselves to be turned into machines, and then make it easy for us to be replaced by machines. Marx doesn't see that as our human nature. Now, the capitalist argument would be, it's like, hey, it's making you, we're specializing you. We're making you into a more efficient, productive athlete, student, worker, doctor, right? And that, in that sense, that is, an individualizing or humanizing type thing, right? But on the other hand, right, it's sort of individualizing yourself out of your own existence. Okay, so the consider that when you're making the human nature argument, right? That's a good way to sort of look at it. And ultimately, it's about, like, yes, we are individualizing ourselves, but is it good individualizing? And what is the end result of that individualizing? Okay, moving along, see some other points here. This is about global capitalism, means of production. So the means of production, right? So this is a big point for Marx, right? So the worker doesn't own the means of production, right? The worker produces things with their labor, but the means of production is owned by the capitalist, the factory owner, the business owner, right? And so the business owner, according to Marx, right, isn't doing any work, right? And they're not. They're not doing any physical labor, right? So they are doing mental labor, right? Or really what they're doing the labor of investing their money, right, to get things going, to create things, right? And so a lot of people see that as, an important form of labor, especially if you are a capitalist. For Marx, he sees that as parasitic, okay? That the real labor, who is doing the real labor, who is actually producing things, right? They should own the means of production. They should be in charge, right? And so this creates this idea of ownership, communal ownership,